If you want to permanently disable this live photo option on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. The first thing you need to do is open settings, scroll down a bit and open camera. Now scroll down, preserve settings, scroll down to very end and turn on this live photo option. This will preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically reset to live photo turned on. So just toggle this on. Now minimize this and open camera app. So if you take a picture, still the live photo was there. You need to click these 6 dots at the right top. Here you can see yellow. It says live photo were turned on still. You just need to click. Now you can see live was off and you can see the X mark. Now just take a photo. Here you can see there is no movement, so it's turned off. Now I close the region and again open camera, and if I take a picture, there is no live, you can see, so it's completely disabled. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.